Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo yako NSM no way. Let's move. Bushafo ya papa Lawrence Teteh. She say them in the ekoso. At all. Because frankly speaking, me I always say obi a me hunya hun doctor. E kan edi hun kwan there. Say PhD. Enye Kwame Tanko computers the any BD. That person is worthy of respect. But the way Papa Lawrence Teteh see BAV these days, would you want to say? Meaning say old age. It me go checking the age. The age I 61 years. And 61 years they say one share and it cannot be say age. Now how can a preacher of your caliber and with maybe the years of experience, meaning say you can be politically biased, no problem. If you mute me, you when you say who you say this year, me, and that's why I respect Nigerian pastors. Election time, no, Nigerian pastors will not come and tell you, say, Yakupon, you actually me say, debut. They'll come and tell you, say, me, I'm meeting her as your pastor, no, me, NDC, me, MPP, and me, go to Obama MPP, and wow, you are sorry, Banu, Udomia, so connect to Obama MPP.
Be a drop no spray no for father moha.
Those are the way Nigeria for politics. And I say, pastors go about things. But also Ghana Hankwan and Yakupon say is as though a Ghana election Kwan and Yakupon interest in US election comes to ambassador. US for election.
But behind it's Nafa, God bless no why.
No problem. Right. As a Ghana 4-year election Kwana Yakupon to make us. Now also for Lawrence Teteh can say he doesn't understand why radio stations are more Greater Accra region. You don't understand why they will be speaking Chi instead of Ga. And when I heard it, I was scandalized. Scandalized, I said, I'm thinking about the thought process. And saying, it's still possible because I say, I don't understand how I'm being. Right? A capital city of a country, which again is a metropolis. Tribalism. Say Sadia, see if it's about say tribe way forward there, then there should be nowhere your ministries. Greater Accra. There shouldn't be. Then there should be no way that for us to even need a capital town or capital city. Because capital city there, once you go there, for the nation, all of us are equal contributors. And in fact, Greater Accra region, trillion, let's say crime for our taxpayers' money, all of us are owed that they used to develop Greater Accra. And the reason we are quiet in this is because that place is our capital city. And to be back Ghana, that's the first place the person will go through. Now, Papa Dana Dosu, ABA Kumasi International Airport, also. You get it? And the Kumasi in Greater Accra there, you find yes, tribalism issues. And moreover, what I will say we in Ukraine, some person will think your radio stations. What prevents you from opening your own radio station and letting them speak in Ukraine 24/7 also? That would be the simplest solution. And this whole agenda, Makachiremu say, is an agenda to weaken our brothers and sisters' accounts. Yeah, it's an agenda. And they are implementing it systematically, slowly. But I'm realizing now it is too late. And like I said about Lawrence Teteh, these days, in remarks, they will also behave. Ministers appointment idea man say on continental lands commission and confusing but in all of this, I mean, it's not being fair to A or mine. It's not being fair to his calling. It's not being fair to this. The second one is still possible, but
he didn't believe it. This minim a social democrat or be a social intervention be omukutia.
Omuchi.
Social democrat also me social democrat and come kwana also mu ni shi satu. Sanya my pro these pro poor police ma mon famba. obi de ba mo beto to ho ka chen say ba be ni ye mbe sem so a na mai ne basa ye de NHIS ba mo to ho na NHIS na de mo kwa mo sorry free parliament na Akufo no Akufo no de na de ne ba no kra wa nye ni Ghana for ho chiro mo Ghana for this come no be chiro de mo be one time premium utua ba kwa wontua bi ene ye ne a mo ntimi anyima ntimi 8 years mo ba na mo say asama mo ka say huru rada sem. And it's not like they don't know. They know. They know, say, because you were in government for good 19 years. Muhammad, now your minister was under Lawrence. For good 19 years, more government. Before say MPP Kreba. Whatever that whatever that makes up governance, the nitty-gritties of governance, you know it. When you say, oh, minor, you see, Kasemonye, Gina Brane. Moja a friend say, or mine or Amakufo 2000. Now you're in debt to GDP, and then I'm over 180%. I will not kid you. You're in debt to GDP, and then I'm 180%. Inflation was around 61, 62%. Oko Ghana Statistical Service, or more you was almost around number 54%. The worst inflation that we've ever had in this country was in the year 2000, over 60% inflation. 83 crown 83 now Lawrence now in the 1990 from 1992 the worst 2000. You left an inflation of around a friend say 60 something percent, 63%. A debt GDP of 180%. And I'm the Jack Kufuor. When Kufuor came, the country was broke, totally broke. Kufuor buy na make hype then time na a school focus kwa o kwa na osu wakonya meboa. Ekwe meboa o kwa na osu wakonya. Ye ma kwanya na wafa wakonya no we ye friend say wo ma me ni bu papa o me ni sika o no beto akonya na ye ma wa. Age say wo tena fom. Na ye kwa no pa na ye wia.
It's true.
Kufuor buy na ye ko Kufuor ko join we pick be hwe the NDC for ye wa ha. So he big benefit a ye nya ye Kufuor kono na ye debt to GDP is just about 30 something percent. The debt to GDP was just about, I'm saying, was 54% to say from 180 to 54. I've forgotten the figure. Now inflation was down less than 20%. You left the worst economy for Kufuor. Kufuor ko na saade no it was a thing of the past. Say nkwala elsom omunkonya ene omudex akọ school. It became a thing of the past. And I'm to mfuturo gu Ghana for any ekeka nsem kire Ghana for ma Ghana for bu fuye and people me de bia make and NPP yem problem man say Ashanti region is our stronghold. I'm all for two about against NPP not because they feel say NPP has not done well, but because of their hatred for Ashanti. I will always say this. Obi to about 2024 obi to about obi say omo to about tia utumfo. That is what I'm very nyankopo. Or so much about tia utumfo. E jo no to o to about tia MBB ni chere so to about tia utumfo. These votorians and the northerners, they were people who are here. They say MPP is Asante region. They feel say when they vote for MPP, Asante for Bebaso. Look at what they are doing with our Kinte story. Look at what they are doing with our Kinte story. Because from my bank, one person GBB was to Kente history.
He doesn't know the difference between Kente and Kete.
What I say, Kente history. One person was to the sense is I was a Kwame Nkrumah cry. They want to form some form of one person who say they want to say Ashanti, we made you. Almost say confirm choose say cry Beni. Confirm history say if Ashanti region can claim confirm not so ya Ashanti. So if you go happen, so Ashanti. But what Timo said when into these friends NDC struggle, they are very poor. No, vote is not because they want development. Their vote is because they hate Asante. I am telling you, and this is the honest truth. They hate Asante. They don't dislike. They feel a vote for MPP means Ashanti region is rising. That is the only reason why they vote. Because you can't tell me say a government came from 1991. Not money to be. money to for one year for 19 years from 2009 to 2008. So anything before Casa, they don't want us to talk about that. And the last 8 years, what did you do? If you said before that last 8 years, no. Now almost before the no so be this 8 years. Almost all be this from 2000. What legacy did you leave for her friends in Ghana?
There you see, Dante say, let's not mince words. I am sometimes for can end this year. Omo ye friend say cool no omo be ye no but and dey na nka ho bi na enye Ghana.
Omo jeje Ghana for taxes. They be make us omo yam say yenye no free. Yenye no free what between 1981 up to 1991. Were you not taking taxes from Ghanaians? Were you not taking what's it Ghana? I know promise Ghana for ye kalabule but now so bo Ghana for you beat people. You are taking taxes from Ghanaians. What did you do with it? What did you do with it? But the one time number one tribalism, anything when your hatred and your dislike for Ashanti and Ashanti will be to meet big Janet ni school for Monam so more back and say what development is going on in Ashanti region. Are you not a fool? Are you not a fool? Mosumuwe. Enye Akufo-Addo anka mukromo I will not kid you. These Voltarians, I will not mince words. These Voltarians and Nordness, yeka intelligence. Omuwobi. Some of the smart peoples in our classes, I don't know. Omukuta igbenini, but a lot of them have been left home because at that time, a friend is say, omunya access to education because sikasemi ho, sikeni ho. Look at the poverty level in the Volta region. Look at the number of brilliant but needy students on Komufi Volta region. By this time, I can almost rise do baby because at that time, your useless NDC government, not the Obama, he didn't saw the needs for the free SHS Beba. In fact, Obide Bano, he was against it. Say, if he had 2 billion, he would not spend everything on free SHS. And then police ne soldier bar no matter in time certificate say mo kwa ko pribi I then amunya sa certificate no and no be this are free SHS any by anka we JSS no be police ne soldier the JSS certificate na eko mama tribalism in the money vote for your development mo sorry anka asem ne and Asante really you vote for t-shirt more
at least it's better
Asante really you vote for t-shirt more
me say Asante really akura ben ase and ma say nkwale ko school a wo mu twa nsuo omo nsuo na omo twa nyasa omo te panto mu omo ti boat mu omo do omo
be me hu say nkwala na muzo mu me de me hu say nkwala omo tete yachim nkwala omo tete yachim they are cruising to school. That is what is happening in the Volta region. They have been voting for development into more development since 1992 or moved to my this